Yes.
I can show you how this works.
Okay, show me how it works.
If you sling this back,
Yeah.
you see it slings a little blue one.
Yeah.
And then you let go, and then the bird goes swinging and crashing down all the trees.
Okay.
I can show you how it works now.
And which bird are you picking first?
The bomb bird.
Okay.
I don't have any bombs beside me. Those ones. Those ones are far away from the slingshot.
All right, go. Oh, nice shot. Which one are you going to do next?
This guy.
Perfect.
I'm going to hold this guy because I'm doing space birds. Actually, I'm not going to hold him.
Okay.
Almost.
Almost. It wobbled.
It wobbles, but this guy's
Oh, you're
gonna-
using the mighty eagle this time. All right. Oh, just missed it. How many birds do you have left?
One more for these guys.
Okay.
Actually, I have two more for the red guy.
Oh,
The
right.
little red guy.
Okay.
The red guy. I'm going to go a little closer.
Okay.
First, I'm going to use this blue one.
Whoa. That guy went so fast.
That's close.
Which one are you using now? Oh, another little blue one? Are you supposed to use all three at the same time?
Yeah, well, this time I don't want to.
It wobbled.
This guy now. I don't know where I'm going!
Whoa. Okay, and now the red one.
I'm going to use the little red one.
Oh, the little red one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because the big ones are best for the last.
How many stars are you going to get?
3.
Oh, nice shot. Got the piggy right out of there.
Yeah. I can't get the grandpa one because he's in a special little box.
The little grandpa one inside there?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is number 1, so that's why I don't have the one.
Whoa! You got them all, bud. Nice work.
But except for the grandpa one because he's in.
Is he still stuck in there? No, you got him.
No, I'm not.